watched you leave, I didn't say a word. Held back the pain, though my vision blurred. You gave your all, I gave you down. Now the silence screams, and I can't drown it out. You begged me once to fight for love, but I was cold, I gave you up. Now every night I curse my pride, 'cause you're not here and I've died inside. It was me to blame, I pushed you away, took your love for granted every single day. Now you're gone and I'm standing in the rain, calling out your name in vain. It was me to blame. Your tears were real, I turned my face. I broke your heart, I lost your grace. And now I pray for one more chance, but all that's left is your last glance. If I could turn the hands of time, undo the hurt, the foolish lies, I'd hold you close and never let go. But now I'm left with this empty a ghost I can't reclaim, and every breath I take feels the same. It was me to blame. No one else, just me and my shame. I broke the love, I lit the flame. Now all that's left is your fading name, and the truth I can't escape. It was me to blame.
I woke up to a silence where your laughter used to be. Your coffee cup still lingers, but you're nowhere near me. The note you left was empty, just a whisper on a page. No answers to the questions that still burn inside this cage. Was it something I missed? Was it something I said? I trace our last kiss in the echoes in my head. You vanished like the wind beneath the blood-red sky, and I'm left here asking why. You're gone without a reason, no goodbye, no sign. Left me with a heartache, frozen here in time. I gave you every heartbeat, every breath I knew. But love means nothing when it walks away from you. Now I'm drowning in the season of a love gone without a reason. I still reach across the bed, though I know you're not there. The scent of you is fading like a ghost in the air. I replay every moment, every fight, every smile, trying to find the crack in us that grew 1,000 miles. I built my world around your light, now I'm staring into endless night. You didn't even leave a lie, just turned around and let it die. You're gone without a reason, no goodbye, no sign. Left me with a heartache, frozen here in time. I gave you every heartbeat, every breath I knew. But love means nothing when it walks away from you. Now I'm drowning in the season of a love gone without a reason. If I could turn back, I would beg you to stay. I'd fight all the demons that pushed you away. But you were a mystery I couldn't decode, and now I walk this lonesome road. You're gone without a reason, no answers, no trace. You took all the color, left this world a hollow place. I gave you my forever, and you gave me goodbye. Now I'm holding on to
In the shadows of your silence, I built a home on sinking ground. Chased the echoes of your presence, but your heart made no sound. I reached through the falling distance, held on like hope in a storm. But the light inside your eyes was already long gone. I held on too long to a ghost in the dawn, to a love that was fading like stars before the morning. I held on too long, and now I'm barely holding on. You were there but not beside me, just a name I couldn't touch. I mistook the ache for meaning, I mistook the pain for love. I should have run when you stopped calling, I should have known we were falling. But I stayed like a prayer in the dark, with a faith that broke my heart. pledged your love and walked away. The memories still haunt my room. Your laughter fades but leaves a wound. The words you said, they still remain like sweet perfume that turns to pain. Shattered vows, broken dreams, nothing is the way it seems. You promised me forever, but forever slipped away. Now I cry in silent hours, counting scars and fallen flowers. I gave you love, I gave my heart, but you tore it all apart. Your scent still lingers on my skin, reminding me of what has been. I close my eyes, you're in my mind, but in my arms there's only time. Shattered vows, broken dreams, nothing is the way it seems. You promised me forever, but forever slipped away. Now I cry in silent hours, counting scars and fallen flowers. I gave you love, I gave my heart, but you tore it all apart. Was I not enough for you? Did you find a love more true? You walked away without a word and left me drowning in my words. Shattered vows, empty nights, no more stars, no more lights. You said you stayed through every storm, but now I face them on my own. I gave you all, you let me fall. Now there's nothing left at all, just echoes of the love we lost and the pain of shattered vows. The door slammed shut, you walked away. No final words, just cold and gray. I stood there still with shaking hands while love slipped through like desert sand. You said goodbye without a sound. Your shadow faded on the ground. I called your name into the night, but all I heard was fading light. Now I'm left in the rain with a heart torn apart. No shelter above, just a storm in my heart. I gave you my soul, you gave back the pain. Now I'm standing alone. control. You used to be my only flame. Now silence echoes through your name. I should have held you when you cried. I should have fought and never lied. But I let pride decide our fate. Now it's too late. It's too late. Now I'm left in the rain with no place to hide. Just the ghosts of your love and the tears that I cried. I reach for your touch, but you won't remain. Just a whisper of love lost in the rain. So let the sky fall, let it drown my pain. Maybe heaven will hear me call your name. But until then, I'll break and I'll bend, left in the rain, where love met its end. I still remember how the stars would shine when you said your heart was always mine. You held my hand like you never let go. Now I'm left with a cold, empty shadow. Your words were soft like a lullaby, but now they haunt me every night. You swore your love would never fade, but all I have is this silent ache. Oh, the promise you broke is tearing me apart, like a song that ends before it starts. You left without a reason, left without goodbye, and I'm drowning in the tears I try to hide. The promise you broke still echoes in my soul. I see your face in every rain, your laughter lost in winds of pain. I gave you all, I gave you, you turned your back, now I've lost you. Did it mean nothing, the nights we cried? Were your kisses just a lie? I would have died to keep us whole, but now I'm just a heart without a hope. to your side of the bed, gone cold. No, no, no trace, just silence taking hold. Your jacket's still hanging by the door, but your footsteps don't echo anymore. You took the morning light away, left the sky in shades of gray. I never thought you'd walk away without a word, without a final say. You're gone without goodbye, no last kiss, no reason why, just an emptiness I can't define, a ghost that lingers in my mind. You vanished like a fading light, left my soul alone to cry. You're gone without goodbye. I replay every fight we had, the silence, the tears, the moments gone bad. But I would have held you one more time if I had known you'd leave me behind. Maybe you were hurting too, but I was too blind to see it through. Now all I have is memories and a love that brings me to my knees. You're gone without goodbye, like a shadow lost in time. I whisper your name into the night, but all I get is the echo of mine. I've been right, no warning, no lullaby, just a heartbreak I can't deny. You're gone without goodbye. Now every sunset burns my chest, 'cause you're not here to see the rest of all the dreams we left to die. You're gone without goodbye. Tried to move on, I've tried to forget, but you're the wound I can't regret. Every street, every song I hear brings me back to when you were near. I smile for the world but cry at night, haunted by memories I can't fight. They say time heals, but it's not true, 'cause time just keeps me missing you. And it still hurts. Someone says your name like lightning striking through my veins. I fake a laugh, but break inside, 'cause part of me still wants to die. You're gone, but I'm cursed with every beat
So don't ask me if I'm okay. Not when I break every single day. I've learned the price of love and truth is living forever without you.
I sit alone in this cold, dark room. Midnight shadows dancing with the gloom. Your photograph is fading on the wall, but your memory still haunts me through it all. I spoke the words I thought were right, but silence grew between us every night. You begged for love I couldn't give. Now I'm drowning in the pain. I chose to live. These are the tears I never showed, the cries I hid when you let go. I was too proud, too blind to see you were the only light in me. Now every night the cold wind knows these are the tears I never showed. I see your face in every dream. You're the ghost behind each moonlight beam. If I could turn back time somehow, I'd trade this loneliness for you right now. Now I'm holding on to what we lost, paying love's most bitter cost. If only I had let it show how much I needed you to know. These are the tears I never showed, the love I felt but never told. I wore my silence like a crown while you were slowly breaking down. Now every scar my heart has grown screams all the tears I never showed. So here I am still calling your name through every verse of this aching refrain. Forgive the man who couldn't cry until he watched your love say goodbye. It's 2 a.m. and I'm still wide awake.
staring at the ceiling where your shadow used to lay. The whiskey's gone, but it don't kill the pain. Just echoes of your goodbye pounding in my brain. I write your name in the fog on the glass, like a fool stuck dreaming of a love that couldn't last. The bed feels colder than the truth you left behind, and every silence screams you're no longer mine. With a broken heart, I face the night alone, wishing for your voice on the end of the phone. I gave you everything, but it tore me apart. Now I'm bleeding out in pieces from this broken heart. The wind still whispers secrets through the door. I hear the song we danced to on that empty floor. You said forever like it meant something true, but forever ended the night I lost you. With a broken heart, I face the night alone, wishing for your voice on the end of the phone. I gave you everything, but it tore me apart. Now I'm bleeding out in pieces from this broken heart. Was I just a chapter in the story that you wrote? A verse you skipped when the ending got too close? Now I'm left with pages soaked in tears, still calling out for you after all these years. Final broken heart, I still sing your name through every storm, through every flame. I gave you my soul right from the start, but all you left behind was this broken heart.
I walk these streets in silence, chasing ghosts of yesterday. The echoes of your laughter slowly slipping far away. Your picture on my dashboard, the smile I used to know, now just a fading memory in the rear view as I go. And I've tried to hold on to the fire we had, but the flame turned to ashes. Now it hurts so bad. You're a fading shadow in the corner of my mind. A love once burning bright, now I'm barely holding the line. Every heartbeat's colder, every dream turns blue.
stronger, and the songs all sound the same. Each lyric a reminder, I still whisper your name. I used to see you clearly in every star above, but now the sky's just empty, like the end of love. I reached through the darkness, but you slipped away, like mist in the morning, gone without a trace. You're a fading shadow in the corner of my mind, a love once burning bright. Now I'm barely holding the line. Every heart beats colder, every dream turns blue. You're not haunting me like before. Your shadow's fading too. Time can heal, or so they say, but it's not healing fast enough today. I still remember every vow we made, but your face is drifting, starting to fade. You're a fading shadow, like a ghost that won't return. I've stood in the ashes, watched our fire burn. I still feel the silence where your voice once grew, but even that's fading now, just like the shadow of you. We were fire in the pouring rain, running wild, we felt no pain. You held my hand, you called me home. Now I'm just walking this world alone. Every promise turned to dust, every dream lost in the rust. You said forever, was it all a lie? Now I'm screaming your name to the sky. Only memories remain, like thunder rolling through my veins. I still hear your voice in the night, but you're long gone out of sight. You broke the chains, walked away, left my heart in yesterday. Now I bleed through every refrain, 'cause only memories remain. I see your face in every crowd. The silence now, it's just too loud. You kissed me once, then disappeared. Now all I've got are wasted years. Can't rewind the hands of time, can't undo this pain of mine. You were my heaven, now you're my hell, still trapped inside your spell. Only memories remain, like thunder rolling through my veins. I still hear your voice in the night, but you're long gone out of sight. You broke the chains, walked away, left
thought that smile would haunt me. Your eyes, they spoke 1,000 lies. What felt like fate was just a moment that left me drowning in goodbyes. We danced beneath the stars too quickly. I held your hand, believed the flame, but love that starts with quiet thunder will burn and vanish just the same. If I could turn back time, I'd walk away before your touch led my heart astray. You came like sunshine after the rain, but left behind a deeper pain. Now all that's left are tears I can't forget from the meeting I regret. Said forever in a whisper, but silence answered in the end. I gave you all, but you were fleeting, a lesson masked as love pretend. And now I see wasn't meant to be. Your love was never truly mine. I'm learning how to set you free, but I'm not sure I'll be just fine. If I could turn back time, I'd walk away before your touch led my heart astray. You came like sunshine after the rain, but left behind a deeper pain. Now all that's left are tears I can't forget from the meeting I regret. So if we meet again someday, I'll smile and simply turn away, for I have cried, I've paid the debt of the meeting I regret. Through fire just to hold your hand, believed in love, didn't understand. You spun your words like silk and flame, wrapped me tight in a losing game. Now the truth comes crashing in, but I still feel you under my skin. Seduced by your lies, I was blind in the night, drawn to your voice like a moth to the light. You painted dreams with
as poison, dressed as bliss. Every touch a Judas kiss. You said forever, then turned away. Left me with nothing but words to replay. I should have known the signs to read, but love can make a fool believe. Seduced by your lies, I was drowning in you, chasing a shadow I thought was true. You sang me heaven while you planned your goodbye. Now I'm standing here, seduced by your lies. The smoke has cleared, but scars remain. Love shouldn't feel like chains and pain. Now I'm stronger, but I still cry for the fool who fell for your lullaby. Seduced by your lies, still haunts my soul. You played your part, took full control. I gave you my heart, you tore it in two. Left me in ruins, nothing left of you. Yeah, I was lost, seduced by your lies. I still hear your voice when the cold wind sighs, but I know now they were all just lies. Awake to the silence, the echoes are cold. The warmth of your whispers, now stories untold. Your shadow still dances on walls in the night, but all that remains is the absence of light. Your smile used to heal all the tears that I cried. Now tears are my comfort with no place to hide. The clock keeps on ticking, but time feels so wrong. It stopped on the moment you told me so long. After you're gone, the world fades away. Colors turn gray, night swallows the day. I reach for the stars, but they're out of my hands. You were the sky, now I can't even stand. After you're gone, I'm just holding on to pieces of dreams where we used to belong. I whisper your name in the quiet of dawn, pretending you're near me, though I know you're gone. Your laughter still lingers like perfume in air. I turn around hoping, but you're never there. Should I forget I'm barely a song that fades in the wind where you once belonged. After you're gone, I try to be strong, but part of me dies.